Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to replace the canister band bar solenoid. This is a 2010 Subaru Forester and it's located on top of the rear differential, close to the fuel tank right there. What we're going to need is plier, ratchet with a long extension just to reach the nut that is holding the bracket. It's a 10mm nut. I'm using a long extension with a swivel. And this is the part number of the new valve right there. So there is 3 hoses, 2 right there, and there is 1 hose in the back. I'm just giving you an idea, guys, where it's located and how to change it.